Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the new Big Dill Chain Fortnite Battle Royale avatar decoration for your Discord account. This is basically like the third or fourth time that they've done a Fortnite Discord quest, and this time it is for another avatar decoration instead of in-game items. And it does look pretty clean. It is basically a $ chain, but instead it is a D for Big Dill. And all you have to do is play the new season of Fortnite for 15 minutes. Now, although it says you have to play the new season of Fortnite, all you have to do actually is play Fortnite itself for 15 minutes and it will work just the same. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it without actually installing the game, but if you do have it installed, that's totally fine as well, but there is a way you could do it completely free without installing the game at all, so you don't have to spend the precious time to try and install the game because it is quite a bit of gigabytes. So the first thing we will do, of course, is click Accept Quest. Then once you accept it, there will be a progress bar that will start at 0%. Then you could choose the platform to get started. If you're on desktop, you could do the way that I'm explaining now to do it without installing the game. If you are on console though, you will have to install the game, and there is not a free way to do this, I don't believe. But the game is free anyways, so it doesn't really matter, but you will have to install the game. Remember, if you are on console, choose the console option. Then go to your user settings and go to connections. And then once you're in connections, make sure that you have your either your PlayStation account or your Xbox account connected to your Discord account. And make sure that when you play the game on your console, that it actually shows up on your Discord account. Then you know that it's actually working and that it's actually connected, and the progress bar should go up after you click check for launches. In this case, we're on desktop or PC. Laptop works as well. So we'll choose that option there, and then we're going to go to Google and search up Xbox Cloud Gaming, and then click on Xbox Cloud Gaming Beta on Xbox.com, which should be the first link that pops up here. Once you're here, you're going to go to the top right and search up Fortnite, and you'll see Fortnite will pop up here. Then you'll simply have to sign in to your Microsoft account. Once you're signed in with your Microsoft account, then there'll just be a play button. And by the way, this is on Cloud Gaming, so once again, you do not have to install the game. But if you do have it already installed on Steam or on Epic Games, then you could just launch it from there and it will work just the same and the progress bar will go up. But if you don't want to reinstall the game if you don't have it currently installed, then just go to this website and then click play on this Cloud Gaming site here. Then it'll launch this beta version and just wait for it to basically start up. It might take a few minutes or a few seconds, and then once it is started, then the progress bar will go up. So we'll just wait for it to finish going up here. Once the bar is fully loaded, there will be a queue on joining the game. And right now, since the quest just released, there may be more people looking for it, so the queue might take a little bit of time. Not a lot of time, just a couple extra minutes possibly. And then eventually you'll be put into the game. While we're waiting for this to load, I'll show you how to do it on the Epic Games launcher quickly. So if you are using the Epic Games launcher, you'll just go and open the launcher and sign into your Epic Games account. If you don't have the launcher installed, you just go to the Epic Games website. And then you'll just go to Fortnite and click play for free. Then it'll get you to install it and you'll just have to run the game from there. Then once you start playing the game, the progress bar will turn green and it will start going up. And if this doesn't work for whatever reason, because it is Fortnite Battle Royale, not the regular Fortnite, it might not work, and you will have to install it from Epic Games. But nonetheless, though, if you do that, the bar will fill up, and you'll get the new Dill Chain avatar decoration here. Another thing you could do is go to Fortnite.com to actually get the game as well. So you could get it from the Epic Games launcher, or you could just go to Fortnite.com. And then you will want to go to Battle Royale here, which is this one, which is the one that everyone's playing. And that's the one that will give you the progress towards this quest. As well as if you're on console, remember you have to have your console connected. So when you go to your settings, make sure that it actually says like display on profile, and that when you're actually on, that it actually shows that you're playing like whatever game on PlayStation or on Xbox when it is working. As well as make sure that it's the exact same email or Xbox/PlayStation account that's actually connected and the exact same one that you're actually currently playing on. Anyways guys, before this video ends, I want to quickly remind you that there is a giveaway in my Discord server. There is only 3 days left and you get to win 1 month of Discord Nitro for 3 different winners. So you have 3 times the chance of winning, and based on these stats here, let's say it gets to 100, you'll have about a 3% chance of winning at least 1 month of Discord Nitro, which is a pretty good chance because it's completely free. All you have to do is join my Discord server and is in the link in the description below. Please subscribe, of course, and share this video to your friends. Like this video and please leave a comment. And please check out my other Discord tutorials, as I do make many Discord tutorials on creating servers and adding bots, etc., etc. So if you do want to support me more, please check out my other videos. And as always, I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.